Hi there, students. The sixth sense, or a sixth sense, this is extrasensory perception, the ability to sense or feel or know things rather than through our five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. Okay, so it's a sixth sense. It goes beyond those five senses. Okay, it's talking about ESP. It could include intuition, telepathy, clairvoyance, precognition, retrocognition. This also includes words like intuition and empathy. And I think intuition is having experience in a situation and having a strong feeling about what's going to happen. If you've been an English teacher for many years and have given many thousands of hours in class, you have an intuition about the questions that your students are going to ask. Yeah, you have an intuition about what's going to happen. Or if you know somebody very well, intuition, this is, I think, guesses or good guesses based on your experience. And then empathy, understanding how other people feel, experiencing things from their own frame of reference. Yeah. And this is the I think this is the idea. You can imagine how somebody else might feel, and well, these two things have also been classified as ESP, or the sixth sense. But very often we just use this phrase, a sixth sense, to say that somebody has a very good ability, a very accurate intuition about what's going to happen, or what to do. So yeah, my dad always had a really seemed to have a sixth sense about when I was getting in trouble. Or some people seem to have a sixth sense when it comes to investing their money, but maybe they study, they think about it, they think more than other people about it, and they actually know about it. It's not something that you could explain, that you could put your finger on, but it's just a feeling that it's true. It's like in English, I say to students, guess. If you don't know, guess. Because the more English you know, the better your guesses are going to be. And if you're listening to this video, I'm sure your guesses probably run at 75% correct, and the other 25%, they're not correct, but they're completely comprehensible. So is that a sixth sense, knowing what to say next? It's intuition. I think it's a result of experience. So a sixth sense, a keen intuition to know what to do. You've just got a feeling. My sixth sense told me not to trust him. I couldn't explain why, but I just got this feeling. And it's your body, or your senses joining together and saying, this is not right, there's something not right here. And that's your sixth sense. An ability to give information, yeah, which you can't explain directly. Is this a supernatural ability? Well, maybe, depending how it comes, or maybe if supernatural abilities exist. So a sixth sense. A sixth sense told me that there were problems waiting for me when I got home. Yeah? So it's something that you can't explain in terms of normal perception, but maybe normal perception is playing a part. Yeah, a power of perception beyond your five senses. My sixth sense warned me to be careful, that there was something wrong, that something was up. So a sixth sense, you have a natural ability to know things, to know something is right, or just know it's wrong. Does that make it magic? Well, you can see how what a skeptic I am. Okay, so the sixth sense. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sixth sense.